Yeah, what's up, guys? It's Miss Lester right here. Welcome to today's video. So today we'll be doing EURUSD weekly analysis. But before we start, let's look at last week. So as you know, we trade with a market profile, which is looking at the way the market interacts with each other during the different sections. So now this was last week's trade. This was Monday, where there's just two stuff. It's Monday. So just the way this was on a Monday. So on Monday, there was no really good setup. So the market came down on Monday. Then on Tuesday, it took out Asian low. Then this is New York session. This is London session. Sorry, this is Asian session. This is London session, and this is New York session. So during New York session on a Tuesday, there was an impulse move. Then the market slowly returned to discount by Asian session. Then for the first move of about 100 pips. Then after that, on Wednesday, the market should slowly return back to this area of interest here and did another shoot up on Wednesday. So by Thursday, we needed price to return back to discount of the full move for entry, which was this guy here. So we can see that the market reacted here on Thursday, then came back on Friday during London session, then shoot up. Then at this high point, what we have here is the high of the week. And when the market is at the high of the week on a Friday or low of the week on a Friday, we tend to take the opposite direction. So this would be a nice sell. So now let's come to this week and analyze this week using the same method. Now today is 29th of August, which is we are pushing mostly candle close. So this right here is the low of the month. So now if we can get the market to take out this low of the month, then we're definitely expecting a buy. So we're expecting a buy from 29th to probably August 31st. Probably August 31st. And I think this buy is going to continue till first week of September. Then before finally dropping down. Yeah, so that probably is going to happen. So let's break it down to the different days so that we'll know what to expect on different days. So now we can see that first thing first that I've gotten the direction for this week. When you have that in mind, you can now break down the way to take it. So now note the market taking out this low is not really necessary. But this is just telling us that okay, we should wait till Tuesday before looking for buys. That's what this is telling us. So if by Tuesday the market is somewhere here, then I'm going to buy from there. So this day is just telling me that okay, yeah, today is Monday. Don't try to take any buy because market can try to take out this low first. But if by Tuesday the market is still somewhere here, I know that okay, I can just buy from here. So that's what market profile is telling you. It's not giving you the exact point to expect. No. So now let's try to break this down into different section. So let me just quickly mark these sections. Yeah, that was really fast. It didn't take me time at all. Just 2 seconds, I did it. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday. Now we're trying to profile what you think is going to happen. So now ideally we want Monday to probably move up in London station, then by New York to just drop down. By New York, it will just drop down to take out this low and slowly move up during each session. Then London, it dropped down again. Then during New York, it gave us a big push. Then it retraces from New York to London station. Then during London, I'll explain everything when I'm done with the stuff. I'm going to push here. Then then by Friday, it's definitely going to finish the law of the week. So now let me explain this movement. So this is probably saying that Monday, which is today, the market can continue this upward momentum to a point which is this area here. Then during New York session, it can start coming down to take out or the low or take out the monthly low. But note, this is not necessary. They usually know that, okay, we should wait for Tuesday to take our buys. That's all this is telling us. The market does not care about what I'm doing right now. It's just like the map to know where you are when taking your trade. So this is telling me that, okay, if I'm buying on Monday, I should probably seek a profit. And it's saying that if I'm buying on Tuesday, I should tend to hold the trade longer. That's just the basic idea behind all this stuff. So now then Tuesday, after taking out the low, then the market will slowly start gaining momentum to the upside. So what it does is that it's going to make people buy at this high point on a Tuesday during the session. Then suddenly it will take them out again by returning to this area of interest. Now, when people see the market taking them out, they tend to focus on this downside. They'll be like, okay, it's going to sell. So you probably see most people will start selling at this low. They'll be like, it broke the low, then it broke it again. So they'll probably start selling. So that's just what this was going to do because then probably on this day there'll be a news event that will just make this move happen quickly. Boom. So on a Tuesday New York session, maybe news event that will make the market to move quickly. Boom. Then after that, you probably see screenshots everywhere. I took this trade of about 150 pips, blah blah blah. Then market will now slowly return back to a discount level. Yeah, it's going to slowly return back to discount. Then during London session, you can now probably take a buy. Because in this candle, you can probably see multiple smaller candles. So you can probably see a good trade. So you can probably see. Let's remove this stuff. Okay, I'm going too far into blank space. So you can probably see a good trade during London session there to take. Yeah, so that's what it's saying. And then, so if we miss London buy, you should not worry yourself because during New York is going to give us another entry. Totally. So if we miss London buy, you don't have to worry because during New York is going to give us another entry to take our desire. So after this movement, then you can probably I think this is Thursday. I think this Thursday can probably be more slower than this in the sense that okay, it's going to stay in this range, stay in this range in London session. So during London session, you can actually get a good sell down to New York session. Then you plan to hold it forever, but fair enough, it's going to take it out again. So it is that most times the eye of the week can also form on Thursday. So you can probably expect that okay, this eye here can be the eye of the week in the sense that this eye will not open yet. It should be equal eyes. So eye of the week can also happen Thursday, New York. So the market can actually give a nice setup here. Then when you give that, boom, take out all the eyes there, and you cannot come down forever. So that's probably a possibility. So guys, then so on Thursday, slowly return back. So in this case, it doesn't get a discount anymore because it's trying to reverse. So it gives a good entry during the session, then give another entry during your session, then for the sale of the week. So this probably the week is probably going to play out. So let me see this. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more video like this, then ensure to like this video and subscribe. So probably if you can get, let's say 20 likes, then I'll do more of these videos. Take care guys, happy trading.